Stop waiting for government jobs. Start your own business and build your future today. Stop waiting for government jobs. Start your own business and build your future today. Let me ask you this question. Have you been waiting for a government job since 2017 and it's still processing? Be honest to yourself. Are you part of We Dey Wait Association? You have printed your CV more than 20 times. You have attended 10 interviews. Even your interviews clothes don't fit you again because life is lifting. Look, I get it. The dream of a stable job with pension and promotion is sweet. But here is the truth. Waiting for a government job today is like waiting for NEPA to bring light during a rainy storm. Sometimes you wait and nothing shows up. Today, I want to tell you this clearly. Stop waiting. Start building your future. Yes, stop waiting and start building your future. This video is not to insult you. No, it is to wake you up, inspire you, and help you start taking action. Before I begin, please, I would appreciate it if you like this video. You can help me continue to spread this important lesson. If you have not subscribed yet, I recommend you click the subscription button below this video and turn on the bell notification. Like, share this video so I can be motivated to make another video as quick as possible next tomorrow, and you don't miss any of my video this week. If this video inspires you and you have questions bothering your mind, go to the comment section to ask. I will not hesitate to quickly respond to your questions right away. Now, let's get started. The big truth: government jobs are not what they used to be. Once upon a time, government jobs were gold. They came with status, money, and security. But now, there are too many applications and too few jobs. Salary is small, sometimes delayed. Promotions are slow. You might spend 15 years before becoming a senior staff. Pensions, let's not even go there. And guess what? Even the people working inside government places are looking for side businesses. Let me tell you a short story. There is a man in my street called Uncle Bola. He finally got a local government job after 6 years of applying. We were so happy for him. After 3 months, he started selling recharge cards by the side. Why? Because his salary could only pay transport and rice. The rest, empty pockets. So, don't be deceived by the suit and ID card. Government job is not guaranteed. Government job is not guaranteed. It used to be. Why waiting is dangerous? Time is not waiting for you. Here is what's scary. Every year you spend waiting is a year lost forever. While you are waiting, others are learning skills. While you are waiting, others are building businesses. And while you are waiting, some people younger than you are already making money from their talents. Let me paint the picture here. You wake up, you eat, you scroll through your phone, you check Nairaland or WhatsApp for latest job alert. you eat again, you sleep, and repeat all this every day. My brother, my sister, that is not a strategy. That is survival mode. Funny but truth. Some people have waited so long for a government job that even their shoe has retired before them. Now, listen closely. Time is your most valuable resource. You can't buy time. Yes, you cannot buy it. You cannot even borrow it. You can only use it or waste it. Are you not wasting your time looking for government job? So, please, don't waste your youth. Don't waste your energy. Use it to build something good for your future. You have something. Everyone has a gift inside. You may not know this, but you already have something valuable inside you. Let me break it down. Can you cook well? Can you talk and make people laugh? Can you braid hair? Or maybe you can fix small electronics. Can you paint? Can you draw? Can you clean? Can you write? Or can you organize? Then you already have a gift, and that is your capital. You don't need millions to start. You just need to start. Let me give you another example. There is a young guy called Kunle in Ibadan. He started washing car in his compound with just water and soap. Today, he runs a mobile car wash service for banks and offices. He even employs 2 other boys now. Did he wait for government job? Capital no. He looks around, he used what he had, and he started small. You can also start small today. And guess what? People began to pay him. And let me ask you, what can you do right now without waiting for anyone? Write it in the comment section and let others see you, and you might inspire someone. If you are still watching this video and finding this insight valuable, please type yes in the comment section below to let me know you are here. If you have not subscribed yet, I recommend you click the subscription button below and turn on the bell notification so you don't miss any of my video next tomorrow. Your support by promoting this video, subscribe, like and share helps me motivated and continue creating more real life business story and motivation like this. Now, let's move forward. Small business idea you can start today. Let me help you with practical ideas you can start even if you don't have big money. Number 1, phone charging station. In areas with poor electricity, people need to charge their phones. You can charge per phone 150 naira, 200 naira, and with 20 phones in a day, you know how much you will make that day. Number 2, mobile snacks and drinks. Buy this in bulk, sell around your street, church, and school. You can even start this with 20,000. Reinvest and you grow from there. Number 3, laundry services. Wash and iron for neighbors. Use their water and soap. Charge small, deliver on time, and build trust. Number 4, social media content creation. Do you know you can earn from TikTok, YouTube, or even Facebook by sharing funny videos or used information? All you need is data and that your phone you are holding. Number 5, mobile barbering or hairdressing. If you know how to cut hair or plait, start going to people's houses. Charge small at first, then upgrade as you grow. Which one of these can you start this week? Don't say none at all. I am watching you. Skills pay more than degrees today. And here is another subtitle that matters under this topic. Skills pay more than degrees today. Yes, I said it. Skills now pay more than most degrees. And let me explain with a short story. 2 people graduated the same year. Bola studied sociology in school, while Tunde learned how to fix phones. 5 years later, Bola is still submitting CV to ministries, while Tunde now runs a phone repair shop and teaches apprentices. Who is the better off? You tell me now. In today's world, a good shoemaker earns more than a civil servant. A good tailor earns money more than some office workers. A skilled web designer works from home and earns in dollars. Don't worship your certificate. Respect your skills. You hear me clearly? Don't worship your certificate, but respect your skills. Mindset shift. To stop waiting, start doing. Let's talk real now. You can't keep waiting and blaming everybody. You cannot keep waiting and begin to blame everybody. Stop saying, 1, there is no helper for me. 2, I don't know anybody. And 3, the economic is bad. Yes, the economic is bad. But so you are. Instead of waiting or asking, ask yourself, what can I do with what I have today? Instead of waiting, act now. And here is a bitter truth for you. You dey wait for uncle that still dey beg for MTN, for borrow me credit. You think he will help you. Nobody is coming to save you. You must save yourself. Find a mentor or join a community. You don't have to walk this journey alone. Find someone who is already doing what you want to do around you. Join Facebook or WhatsApp groups. Talk to people in your church or mosque. Look for the online mentors, people who teach business, skills, and money management. Ask questions from them, learn fast, and apply faster. Do you have a mentor or a business group you need to learn from? Type yes or not yet in the comment below, and let's help each other grow. Take action now. Today is your day. Now, enough talk. Let's get practical. Pick one thing you know you can do very well. Write down 3 things you need to start. Tell someone about your plan and take one bold step before you sleep tonight. Actions beats delay. Like they say, the best time is plant a tree was 10 years ago. The second best time is now. Don't say next week. That is procrastination. Don't say when I get money. Start small, start simple, but start now. Summary. Let's quickly recap. Government jobs are no longer enough. That's number one. Number two, waiting wastes your time. Number three, you already have something inside you. Make use of it. Number four, start small and grow daily. Number five, learn skills, build relationships. Number six, take action now and not tomorrow. I believe in you, but more importantly, you must also believe in yourself. God blesses the work of your hands, not your CV folder. Now it is your turn. If this video has inspired you, like, share, and comment below. I'm ready to build. Also, subscribe to this channel if you have done waiting and ready to start winning. Turn on the bell notification because I will be teaching practical business tips, side hustle ideas, and inspiring stories. All are just for you. And remember, stop carrying CV like Bible. Start using your hands like mechanic. The hustle is real and your future is waiting for you. Not one oga in Abuja. Here is an important question for you. Who is the government? You are the government of yourself. Govern your life and take good care of yourself. Bye for now.